That wolf spider's like, you're not gonna get me, bee. And the bee's like, Charlie, grab it. That's a big old spider.
That spider's just wrapping him up. Oh my God, that's nuts. Oh, he's just biting him.
Oh, is he biting the bee now?
Yeah.
Get ready to get sucked dry.
He wrapped the stinger up. He's just biting him, biting him, biting him. Ooh, the bee's getting loose. Dude, this is insane. Oh, the bee's trying to get away.
No way. Still going after all those bites, huh?
Oh, the bee's getting away. That spider's just wrapping him up. He's got his stinger all wrapped up so he can't even sting him.
Yeah, I wonder who's got the worst poison of the two.
I'd imagine the bee does.
Spiders had kind of, not just like a sap kind of poison like bee. They had some kind of poison. The nerve thing just knocks you out. It doesn't kill you. It's just you sit there and you're alive, but you're.
Dude, I'm 3 minutes in. That bee's trying. I think he's gonna lose. Oh, he's flying.
No way.
He's stuck to the web, but he's still trying to fly.
These bees have been driving me nuts. Day before yesterday, two of them got in my car. And I had to shoo them both out. That was all kind of fun.
Oh no, the bee got away.
No way.
Yep, it sure did.